Hi, I'm Sydney Kelly. I am an ITRT in Virginia, and I've created this breakout called Worksheet Woes, and it basically is going to teach fourth graders about greatest common factor and least common multiple. So I'm going to kind of show you what that looks like. So here we go. So here's how I have it set up. I've given you all your documents in Google Docs. The story is basically the teachers forgot, they put the worksheets in the breakout box and they forgot the combination. So if the kids can break out in 45 minutes or less, they'll give the worksheets to another class for them to do. If they can't do it within the 45 minutes, you might have to do them for homework. So that's basically the story. So the kids don't want to do the worksheets, so they're going to unlock the box. The first thing you're going to do is give the students this folder that says, I just have lesson plans on it, and the key, as well as their hint cards. So it says the key to getting started will be to figure out what is greatest common factor and least common multiple anyway. I'm going to put this teacher's manual on the teacher's desk, and the students hopefully will be wandering around the room looking for this clue, and it says today's lesson. And then when you open up the teacher's manual, you get the key, okay? The key unlocks the ammo can, which I will also hide in the room. Inside the ammo can are a couple of things. I'm putting 4 problems in here. They're greatest common factor problems. Like what is the greatest common factor of whatever numbers. And they're also numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once they solve those 4, that's going to give them a 4-digit number, and the 4-digit number will unlock this one. Okay. Again, everything is in the documents, the Google Docs. Also in this ammo can is this hundreds chart. Just looks like a simple hundreds chart, but we all know that it's not. And another word problem, which will also give them a 3-digit number when they solve this. So they're going to end up with the clue to the 3-digit lockbox for that. They're going to end up with, once they do these, they're going to end up with the 4-digit number for this hundreds chart we really haven't used yet. Inside this is a QR code, and you'll need a scanner, and I'll just show you what that's going to look like. The QR code, if we go over here to our computer, I've just installed an extension on Chrome that was a QR reader. So basically, I click here on my little QR reader. It asks me if I want to edit or if I want to scan. I want to scan. So then I hold this up. Here we go. Might have to flatten it. Where are you? There we go. And then here's the URL. And this takes them to another word problem. If they solve it correctly, they will be hidden, the number is 9. They will get the following clue. They'll submit it. Once they submit the problem, then they click View Accuracy, and they see under Feedback that correct. Now spell your answer. So the answer was 9. N-I-N-E is the clue for the word lock on the big breakout box. If they get it incorrect, I'll just show you what that looks like. It's kind of a spoiler. If they get it incorrect, then they are led to this clue, which says the clue is behind the flag. So if you go to the flag and look under it, most classrooms have a flag. There's a clue. Oh, I found a clue. Oh, sorry, try again. Okay, so they're directed back to the word problem until they get it correct. Let's go back to the big breakout box. So the clue, the answer to that number was 9. That's going to unlock the word lock, which is here. The last thing they have is the directional lock, and they haven't unlocked this little box here yet. Remember, that was the 3-digit answer to the jelly bean problem. Once they do that, they are given more problems. There are 4 more problems plus the light Look. Of course, the black light. Once you click the black light, you solve those problems, you're going to be led to answers to those problems, 12, 10, 30, and 70. Those were the least common multiple. Got that. And that's the clue to the directional lock. Once they unlock the directional lock, then they're in and they've done. So it basically comes out to about eight problems for them to solve, plus a word problem, plus the QR code problem. So that would be 10 math problems in one 45-minute time period working together. I did this yesterday with a class and it was just great fun. We put a bunch of candy in there, put out our We Broke Out posters, and then it says, surprise, there are no worksheets. Now take these Smarties and go outside for extra recess. And the kids, the group that I did yesterday didn't actually break out, so the group I'm going to do today hopefully will. I think it's suited for a group maybe between 10 and 15 students at the most. So I hope you have fun.